afternoon, students. Yesterday we have learned about the functions of the kidney. Did you all understand? Did you all draw the diagrams which I have suggested in the urinary system? Please continue doing the homework. Today we are going to deal with the micturition. The micturition is an act of passing urine. When the baby is small, the baby does not have the control over the bladder. When the baby reaches to the 2.5 year to third year, then the baby starts obtaining the control over the bladder. When the bladder control is established, the micturition reflex is still simulated, but the sensory impulses also pass upward to the brain, and then the awareness is created. Normally, an adult passes urine and can be stored up to 300 to 400 milliliters. And with the conscious effort and the suitable place is obtained, then the person can have the excretion of the urine. This also can inhibit the micturition until it is convenient time. Urination also can be assisted by increasing the pressure in the pelvic cavity, and that is achieved by the lowering the diaphragm and contracting the abdominal muscles. Overdistension of the bladder is extremely painful, and when this occurs, there is a tendency for involuntary relaxation of the external sphincter. Now we need to remember that whenever the person or the individual has to undergo the abdominal as well as the pelvic examination, always to be advised to empty the bladder and then only to continue the examination. What is incontinence? Incontinence is also the involuntary loss of urine after the bladder control has been established. There are some of the terminologies that is related to the urine, like polyuria. The amount of urine that is more than necessary or the normal, that is called polyuria. What is pyuria? Pyuria means there is a pus collection in the urine. Hematuria, there is a presence of blood or the RBC in the urine. Oliguria, the amount of urine is lesser than the normal, that is oliguria. Anuria, anuria means there is absence of urine, that is called anuria. Now we are going to see the effect of aging of the urinary system. Means when the person reaches to the age of 50 and above, there is an effect on all the system, and that's why the urinary system also is affected. The kidneys have the substantial function reserved. The loss of one kidney does not cause problem because we have two kidneys, and even one kidney is sufficient to filtrate all the body's blood. We are fortunate to have the two kidneys. In case if one kidney fails, the other can continue their function. The number of nephrons declines with the age, glomerular filtration rate also fails, and the renal tubules function also decreases. Thus, in the older age, the person or the individual feels the incontinence of urine as well as the frequency of the urine. They also lose the control over the bladder muscles, and therefore the micturition occurs very frequently. These changes mean that the older adults become more sensitive to the alteration in the fluid balance and the problems that are associated with the fluid that is overloaded in the body. Also, dehydration can affect on this urinary system. The ability to inhibit contraction of the detrusor muscles declines. Now it can be asked in the fill in the blanks, which are the muscles responsible for the micturition? So your answer should be the detrusor muscles. of the urinary bladder. This can result in the urgent need to pass urine and the urinary frequency. Nocturia becomes increasingly common in older adults. What is nocturia? The passing of urine during the night time, that is called nocturia. Incontinence is more prevalent in the older adults. Around 15% of the women and 10% of the male over 65 years can be affected to this condition. Now we will go to see some of the disease conditions that are in the kidneys. What is glomerulonephritis? GN, glomerulonephritis. So this term suggests the inflammatory conditions of the glomerulus. But there are also several types of glomerulonephritis, and the inflammatory changes can be noted or the presence. Now we see what is hematuria. Just as I said it earlier, the presence of red blood cells in the urine is known as hematuria, or the blood present in the urine. What is proteinuria? The presence of protein in the urine is proteinuria. Hypertension also can affect the high BP or the amount of the urine that is excreted by the urine, by the kidneys, Nephrotic syndrome. Renal failure. When the nephrons are unable to continue their function, the kidney is not able to function. That is called the kidney failure. It can be acute renal failure or can be chronic renal failure. Diabetic nephropathy. Because of the diabetes, there are some changes taken place on the kidneys and the urinary system. That is called diabetic nephropathy. Acute pyelonephritis. This is an acute bacterial infection of the renal pelvis and the calyces that is known as acute pyelonephritis. What is the